Okay, so we're going to start taking notes about the moon. I think it's important to know a lot about the moon since the next couple of years, NASA is planning on getting us there. So let's study the moon. There's things to learn. Like I had mentioned before, you're going to need some things to help you draw circles, and that's kind of what we're going through today. All right, I'll show you what I got. I've got my hair product, my pomade there, another hair product, and my hair color when I turn it blue. All right, first one I'm going to use right in the center of the page is the biggest one. And I'm just going to draw a circle, just like that. Kind of hard to see with the pencil, but it is right there. Then, taking this one, the medium-sized circle, the mid-sized one, I am going to draw a circle here, a circle here, a circle over here, and a circle right here. All right. Now I've got 5 circles all together. They're not equidistant, doesn't matter. I don't want them right on this circle, but they don't have to be, you don't have to measure exactly. And now my smallest circle, and I'm going to put one circle in between each gap here, in the gaps, okay? All right, now I've got all of my circles. The next thing I need to realize is down here where I see this is where the sun's rays are going to be coming from on this diagram. And I'm even going to write sideways here. Sun's rays. All that electromagnetic wavelength coming from the sun. And it's good to know that it's coming that way. Okay, there's my sun's rays. I'm going to have these help anchor this. And the next thing I need is my straight edge. Doesn't have to be a ruler. I just like it to be a straight edge. Okay. So I'm going to use the packaging from my tripod, and what I'm going to do is, the way you're looking at it this way here, I'm going to draw a line like an equator line horizontally across each circle. So like here's the earth, the middle circle, I gave that away. It's going to be the earth, and I'm going to draw a line right there. All right, almost like making Pokeballs. All right, 9 circles, 9 lines. Okay? Not too difficult. We'll do the next step in the next video. Get to this point and I'll have the next video up soon. All right,